2023 overseas student workshop which was held in Taichung near to HSR station. The Ministry of Education is committed to provide care and sports to overseas students. During the annual workshop, they will invite representatives from the center governing authorities to deliver important information related to overseas students, including immigration regulation, governing employment, off-campus internship, health insurance, and etc. Event is in English. For international students, there is a special person for translation, so all international students can understand the event. After information sharing, they have chance for international student and overseas student to ask the question related to different authorities. So after questioning from different national students related authorities like Ministry of Health Insurance, they will answer related to their question. Ministry of Education, all those questions related to Ministry of Education, they answer the question. Same like in other authorities, they answer if any student has any related in questions. After the session of questioning and presentation, they have facility of lunch for every student. These food are very delicious and every student enjoy their lunch. Beside the lunch, there is special event for the. After eating our lunch, we just go down of the stair and waiting for remaining students, so everyone reach down. Then we will go to the Tsung, Shih, Taro Cultural Museum. Each student has divided in 3 groups, group 1, group 2 and group 3, and they have also separated buses. We are in the group 1. We just start, follow the organizer who has a cardboard with number 1, with amazing weather outside, with the blue sky with the white clouds. On the way in the bus, we also enjoy the very beautiful view of greenery and amazing road. After traveling 30 to 40 minutes with amazing view, we reach at Tsung, Shih, Taro Cultural Museum. As we come down from the bus, every student, teachers get together at the front of Tsung, Shih, Taro Cultural Museum for the group picture. After making amazing memory of the group picture, now it's time for the DIY. So after group picture, we will go to the kitchen site for the DIY, where we going to make a taro cake. In the starting, the teacher teaches us how to make the taro cake. She teaches every step, how to roll, how to cut, how to use these different utensils. Rolling, using the flour, roll it, again roll, and after that, we need to cut it into 2 pieces with the help of the knife. So she cut it and make 2 pieces. After that, they flat with their thumb with the hand. After that, they need to mix some taro inside. although it's look very easy, but when you're going to do DIY, it's not that easy. So she show every step one by one to every student so they can make themselves. It's an amazing teacher. She teach every step one by one. Now, after watching these steps, every student is very energetic and ready to make their own taro cake. Everyone is very excited.
在这里
1年半好，鼓掌一下。18个月，我想这个意思是想告诉各位，以后买凤梨不要先太贵的哈，因为18个月里面生活会也很辛苦啊。所以我们每次看到这个新的报道，我有自销的有。
Now it's my turn to make. I make a time lapse how it's work. Although look it's easy, but when you on the DIY, it's not that much easy. And I just making speed with amazing skill. As I write to cooking, I like this event too much. So every student need to make 4 taro cakes. Now it's time to take the collect all this cake. All the students they give a specific number and take their cakes for the cooking. Meanwhile, it's going for the cooking. They take us in the museum where they're going to tell about the story of this pastry factory which is 20 years old. In the starting of the museum, they tell us about the different type of the taro. The teacher explained very well about the story of the taro, the different kind of the taro, as well as they also tell us about different types of taro. And there is also amazing taro cake made of the statue. After that, some taro are a poison, in which the teacher tell us how to differentiate between edible and the poisonous taro. They put the water on the leaf of this taro. If the water is not spilled, it means it's edible, and if the water is spilled out, it means that these taro are poisonous. So we not need to eat these things. After amazing lecture about the taro, we enter into the shop where we have a get chance to eat the different dishes or different snacks made of the taro. And I tried this one. In the starting it's look a little bit weird because it's different taste, but as you eat and chew, it's very tasty. I like it. Even I asked other my friends, they also trying the taro snacks, and you can see their face how much they enjoying. They are also from different universities. I meet first time with them and I take the opinion about their taste about this, and they like it and they suggest me also try. So I try one. Yeah, it's very tasty. After that, the teacher also telling different types of snack of taro and their taste. So every student is very happy and trying different snack of the taro. And even some student buy a lot of taro snacks because it's very delicious. Beside the snacks, there's also a lot of the taro cake, which is very amazing and tasty. Meanwhile, our taro cake is ready, so chef call us. So we take our number and go to the chef where they giving us our cake according to the number, and it's an amazing boxing of the cake. See, my number one is 13 and I'm going to try it. It smells very good. You want to see, it's 13 number and it looks very good. So guys, I'm going to try. You wanna try it? So come to Tsung Taro Cultural Museum. After that, every student come on the room with according to their number. They collect their taro cake. After taro cake, the chef is giving some special gift or the certificate to every student who make a lot of fun with the student.
这边以后的要用哭的哦，好不好？还有剩3个要用哭的啊！啊！好，哎，你有奖状的啊！来猜拳一次，一拳定输赢，剪刀石头布。 剪刀石头布，这个时候输的才有，现在就没有。啊，敬语大写的老师。
你这位真的很帅。
真的吗？啊，顾先生。你多高啊？1.9米。1.9米。 刚刚有一个同学要找他冲司的是哪一个？好，你也有排队吗？他看那个 logo， 我说 logo 呢，做学生都比较腼腆，都不好意思想的。太小声了，没有听到懂吗？好，那你大声一点，那我注意听你有没有大声。
The chef is very amazing. He always playing with the students, happy, making a day memorable, and giving them a certificate of making their own taro cake in DIY. Hope you like this video, and I hope you guys also visit Tsung Taro Cultural Museum in Taichung and make your own taro cake. Here is the chef is very friendly and he play a lot of game and fun with the student. I hope you guys also like this video. Beside this, not only they play game, they arrange a special gift for every student. It's amazing box of different taro cake and there are more than 70 species. This, if you like traveling and participating in different events, join FIT Friendship in Taiwan on Facebook and Instagram. They will arrange different events and tour for the international student. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in next video.